I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Spring has arrived in Oklahoma this first week in April. This week we were treated to warm days and more spring storms. Our 3-day average of 4-inch bare soil temperature as of April 1st ranged from 55 degrees in the northeast to 68 degrees in south central Oklahoma. The mid-60s are ideal for many garden and crop plants. Oh, and all those weeds too. Storms developed rapidly Tuesday night. Those storms left scattered areas with an inch or more of rain, the green-colored areas, and one very intense storm near the Bow Legs Mesonet site, the red dot, received more than 8 inches of rain. Bow Legs recorded 5 85/100 inches. Just east of there in Holdenville, only 72/100 of an inch of rain. The majority of that rain at the Mesonet Bow Legs site came in 2 deluges. An inch and 62/100 fell in 35 minutes between 8:55 and 9:30 Tuesday night. The second deluge of 3 54/100 inches lasted an hour and 15 minutes from 10 p.m. to 11:15. What a wet night for folks in central Seminole County. Here's Gary with a longer look at Oklahoma's rainfall and what's ahead.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everybody. Well, we've had our first big severe weather outbreak, our first tornadoes, but the best news of all, I think, is that we've gotten a lot of good rainfall recently. Now, that does have its impact on the drought. Unfortunately, it comes with those bad things like tornadoes. Let's take a look at the latest drought monitor map and see where we've been helped and also where we've been hurt. The new drought monitor map shows exactly what you would expect from the recent rainfall patterns. More improvement in the southeast and intensification in the north and west. Most of western and far northern Oklahoma remain in severe to exceptional drought, unfortunately. What's in store for us for April? It is a spring month. It's supposed to be a rainy month. Well, the Climate Prediction Center sees increased odds for above normal temperatures, which we don't want to see because that would impact drought, and also increased odds for above normal precipitation in the far southeastern corner of the state, the part of the state that needs it the least, unfortunately. But good for those folks. Now, when you put all that together, where's drought at now? What are the outlooks for April? The U.S. monthly drought outlook for that month shows that drought is expected to either persist or intensify throughout the month of April, so not good news on that front. Now, these are just outlooks. They're not always correct, so we still have hope for spring, and we can maybe start to end some of this drought across the state. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.